given that we're in a soft market right now, what can we do about standing out in this soft market, and how might these capacity management tools help with standing out in the soft market?
Yeah, absolutely. So right now, obviously, having a truck isn't going to cut it anymore. I think a lot of brokers remember back to 2021, where if you had a truck in hand for a lane, you were like a god. And when shippers came to you and said, hey, can you move something on this lane? And you had a truck in hand, and you say, well, yeah, but it's going to be $10,000. They'd say, when can you be here? And that's just simply not the case anymore, right? Shippers have a lot of options. They can get rates that are pretty low. So just having a truck isn't going to cut it. Now it's more about differentiating on service. And I always like to say that high quality capacity is always tight, no matter what the carrier market is doing. So if you are looking for the best of the best and looking for the best carrier for every single load, it is going to take some work to go out and search those out versus just having any old carrier that you find out on a load board. So what we see a lot of the time is when a carrier is, when you're just sourcing carriers out on those load boards and you're relying on sort of the one and done type carriers, you can put yourself at risk for lower service levels. You're also a lot of the time going to pay a lot more. So the way that Parade is looking at this is saying, if we can go and use your data to tap into where is the deeper capacity with my existing network of carriers, and specifically those great carriers that have consistent trucks on lanes that I want to run, that can help you go and choose and be really selective about just finding the best of the best carriers.